Okay, hello guys. Welcome to another episode of Soulless Farming Estate. In this episode, we are going to be unboxing our new incubator. So, you want to see what it looks like? Stay tuned to this video. Alright, so let's unbox it. You can see what it looks like right out of the box. This is what it looks like. So let's go ahead and bring it out. So guys, this is what it looks like. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like inside. So guys, as you can see, this is how it came. Nothing on this side, nothing on this side. Then this is the front. This is also the side. So this is what the front looks like. I don't know whether you can see this. So you can see this is what it looks like. So opening the box, this is how it looks like inside. And this is the top. Here you can see there's a ventilation. This is for ventilation. And then this seems like a torchlight. I didn't know this model has a candle light in it. And you can see this is how it looks. This is the inside. These are the two fans. This is the humidity sensor, the temperature meter, and I believe this connects somewhere here. Yeah, here is it. This is for the toner. So this is the top, and okay, what comes in the box? You have this feeder. I think this is a feeder for brooding. It just clicks like this. Yeah. So this is a feeder for brooding. Keep it aside. This a drinker. This they are drinking. So when you hatch your chicks, you want to brood them for at least a few days or a week, then this is what you can use. It comes with a power cord. And I can see like these are extra rubber for the rollers, because these are rollers, they roll. That's how they turn the eggs. These are extra for roller. You can see them here. These two extra rollers, and then this is the candle light. So I think there's no battery in it. This is a candle light which you use for candling your eggs. You can see it. This is how it looks for candling your eggs. And this is for spraying water. When your eggs are inside, you want to spray water sometimes, especially when it comes to the hatching day. You want the humidity to be very much at the level it should be. So this is used for spraying on the eggs so that the shells will be softer. That's when the eggs are on lockdown. So let's keep it aside. What comes in it? This power cord. As you can see, this incubator is dual power supply. You have your AC 220 volts in here, and this for your DC 12 volts. So if you have a battery, 12 volt battery, you can run this on a battery and you can run it on a electricity, that's AC, from your wall socket. So this cord is what you use for. As you can see, it has 2 pins, positive and negative. You can use these pins to plug onto your battery, and this is the cord, the head mount that goes into the incubator DC volt inlet, or rather. And it comes with manual. This is your manual in case you want to change the settings or stuff like that. So this is your manual, and then this your water. You use this for adding water to the incubator. This is used for adding water to the incubator, as you can see here. So you don't need to open the incubator often. So you just simply add water through these holes here. You just add water, and that is all. Water comes in, period. So, and this is an electric motor that turns the eggs, and this is the cable which you use to connect to the body. This is for the feeder. And then going also, let's take this out. As you can see, this is the rubber. This is the body that covers the incubator, and this is the egg tray. It's pretty heavy. This is the egg tray. So guys, this is the egg tray. So I told you earlier, this is the motor that turns the eggs. And overall, it seems a kind of well built, and I kind of like it. It seems well built. Let's keep it aside. And lastly, you have your hatching tray. This is your hatching tray. When the eggs are on lockdown, you want to make sure they are on this tray. Yeah, you want to make sure you turn off the rollers, and that's all. So finally we get this. This is the bottom, and after that, as you can see, there's nothing else in the box. So that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and that's pretty much it about this unboxing video. This is everything that comes with the box. So if you are in Nigeria or you are in Kano State and you want to order for an incubator, when you order this kind of incubator, this is everything that comes with it. This, by the way, is a 64x capacity. It's a 64x capacity incubator. So this is all that comes in the box. So make sure you like this video. If you are blessed by it, make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, so that it will encourage us to keep coming up with more videos for you guys. Okay, that's pretty much it for today's episode of our unboxing video. See you next time. Peace out.